Hey guys, ever wonder how that magical thing called internet works? You type in google.com and boom, everything's there. Like wah bhai wah. But how? Today we are going to break it down in a simple fun way. So grab your chai and let's jump into it. So let's start from the basics. भाई सबसे पहले what is the internet? Think of it like a massive worldwide dhaba. ऐसा ढाबा that has everything: videos, songs, memes, even that samosa recipe you were looking for. But the $1,000,000 question is, how does your laptop or mobile order from this giant dhaba? Imagine every time you search something on Google, your computer sends a request like a waiter running to the kitchen in the dhaba. But here, the kitchen is actually a super powerful computer called a server. The internet is basically a giant network of these servers connected by invisible highways like some serious technology ka tadka. These invisible highways, they are made of cables, fiber optics, and sometimes even satellites, all working together to deliver data faster than Mumbai local. But wait a second. What exactly is a server? Picture this. A server is like a relative who stores sab kuch in their house. Movies, emails, memes. When you ask them for something, they quickly give it to you, sometimes with extra butter. Your computer is basically calling that server and saying, "Oi bhai, send me that YouTube video of cats." Now, let me break it down to you a little more. Internet runs on something called client server model. तुम्हारा laptop or mobile is a client, and the website you are trying to access, like YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, is a server. You ask as a client to the server to answer. Simple. Now come to the cool part. How does the request even reach to the server? Enter IP address, which is like a phone number of computer, ekdam like your home address. It tells the request where to go. Imagine every computer in the world has its own address called an IP address. You type in a website and your request is routed through several computers and networks using something called routers. These guys are the traffic police of the internet. They make sure your data goes right way. Now, all this happens in a matter of milliseconds. Like before you can even say aloo paratha, your video, website, or meme is loaded. It's magic. Okay, not magic, not exactly magic, but close enough. And by the way, this information is transferred in small packets. It's like how you order a pizza and it comes in slices. Your browser resembles the slices to show you the full package. So, to recap, the internet is like a huge network of connected computers and server. Your device sends a request to server using IP address. Routers guide that request like traffic police, and server sends back the data you need, whether it's a gaane ka playlist or a random YouTube video that you forgot you were watching. All of this happens in just seconds. कितना फास्ट है ना ये सब कुछ. And that's it. The internet explained एकदम simple तरीके से. Hopefully next time someone asks you how the internet works, you won't say वो कुछ तो हवा में होता है. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. मिलते हैं next video में with more tech ज्ञान. Until then, stay curious, stay connected. Bye bye.